Hello everyone. So in this video we try to understand the basic concept of user defined function and where we use user defined functions and how to use user defined function. So for this we just open the query and create a table. Create table. Basically table name is user and first column name is id, which type of the data I put in id column, so integer value as well not null. The second is name. In the name is all time string, so using varchar 50 character third column name is city. Also in this city we store data in text format, so I'm giving the varchar type. The last one is salary. Okay, salary. This is the integer value. I'm using here decimal. Just select the all. Here I'm semicolon. Put semicolon and press F5. What happened here? User. Okay. Users. Okay. Table written successfully. We also can see the table name users. Select this statement and press F5. Now you are able to see the our table, and here you can see the varchar integer. Here you understand the data type of integer varchar integer, because when we try to learn the user defined functions, so in this user defined function we need to understand these concepts. If you don't know these concepts, then you will always get the error in user defined function. So here you can see when we create any table, then you need to understand which type of the data type, which column, what the data type. Suppose you that in id which type of the data, type we are using. If I'm not using varchar, if I use char, and in user defined function you use varchar, then you will get error. So without wasting any time, we just insert into, we need to put any data in this table. So insert into users. The column name is id, name, city, and salary. Last one is salary. I want to put some values, so here I'm using values, and the id is xox. Name name is Nikhil. City is Jaipur, and salary is 2000 20,000. Now select this statement and just enough. I hope this is enough. 10,000, 30,000, 40 and 50. Jaipur, Delhi. This is Gujarat, Jaipur. Okay. The candidate name is Nikhil, Chirag, Ram, and Manju and Rahul. The 5, 4, 3, and 2. We this data we need to pull in user table. Return successfully. You also can see the insert file record. Your query return successfully. Now we select this statement and press F5. Now you are able to see the our data, our table is ready. And now what I do here, I'm just now I'm teaching you then how to use user defined functions. So create or replace function. And what the function name? Function name is get get name. Okay, the get name, here I'm using IDs integer, IDs integer. मुझे रिटर्न क्या करवाना है? रिटर्न 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 table. और so when we create actually we when we create the table, so that time I told you that you need to must know the data type of table, column data type, you need to understand. So here we need to use that things. Very simple. My question is uh, question or my question is provide me name city, provide me name city and salary based on id. So the question is कि how to get a record. In record name city and salary also contain. So how to get record by using id, so simply here I'm create or replace the function. बनाना है, अगर है तो रिप्लेस हो जाना है. कौन सा फंक्शन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, तो फंक्शन का नाम है गेट नेम. नाम चाहिए मेरे को, और यहाँ पर मैंने डाल दिया आई टी, इसका डेटा टाइप है इंटीजर. मुझे टेबल रिटर्न करवानी है, तो सिंपली मैं यहाँ पर राइट डाउन कर रहा हूँ नेम वाचर. अपने वाचर यूज किया. सो हियर आई एम गिविंग द वाचर डेटा टाइप सिटी वाचर. In salary I use int. If your column data type is char this, then you use this, but my column data type is this, so I'm using this. Don't forget it. If you forget it, then you will get error. So I start is ये डेटा दिस टेबल रिटर्न कब रिटर्न करवानी है, एज ए $start also end with the language PLpgSQL and begin or end. Here we write body, so return query, return return query that I mentioned above. And what is the my query? The select select name, select everything from my table name is users. My table name is users. User alias is u. So how to give the column name? We give column name like this: u dot name, comma u dot city, u dot salary. We give the column name that we want in after proceed this function. User is a u, where uid this uid equal to ids. ID is this. Now you got the point. Done. Select this query and press F5. What happened here? Varchar. Here we don't use the commas, so I put the comma here. Now it's correct. Select it F5. Create function successfully. You can see. I just go down, and when your function is created, then how to got the point? Then here I type select 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 everything from get name, the name of function, and using here one F5. Select everything from this function, get name function through this ID. So you don't need to type these large large query in this table again then again. You just create these functions, and after that you just this is very simple. The get name from IDs. So my question is providing me name, city and salary based on id id. So id I'm using here the id, and my function name is get name. So what I'm doing here, select everything from get name, or id is equal to now if I type here 102, then you can see the result. It's working, it's finally working. If you want to drop it, then you just drop function, type do function, and what is the function name? Get name F5. The draw function query written successfully. So in this video we learn how to create a function, user defined function, as well how to drop the function, and what the basic thing, how to understand it, what is the important, the data type is very important for understand the function of function, user defined function. I hope you like this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.